Bet. He didn't do nothing.
Well, he did what he had. Let's see what you got now, Jake.
Shit, I gotta get a picture of this, dude. Hold up.
Oh, you gotta get in line. It's Jake's turn.
Don't say my oh no, he did.
Fuck yeah, Jack. There you go.
Put it in the shade.
Fucking awesome.
Dude, you got served. You got served, dude. You got served. He got served.
Hey, Misha said she's going too.
No.
Oh, Misha, you gonna put in your challenge? You gonna get in, you gonna find out what you got?
How you being a man about it? That's my boy. He's being a man about it. Get back on it. Oh, like that. Look, it's there. Woo! You got it.
Good on that, but
That was awesome. You got to get it awesome. That was awesome. That was fucking awesome. I'm happy.
Hey, Travis, you said you gonna get some too, right?
you ain't got enough alcohol. Hey,
Come on.
feed me the rest of that Jaeger, I'll get up there bust the move.
Look at him. Somebody get this man a stripper pole.
Wow. That was awesome. Jake, you should
What?
You're a punk.
Everybody else can go?
You're a punk.
Hold on, Jake.